YouTube family! My name is Elysia English.
And I'm Chase English.
And today we have an amazing project geared up.
Today we are going to build my bed. I know you've all been guessing about what my bed is gonna be, but today we are gonna show you. A big thank you to McDonald's Home Hardware for sponsoring this video, for giving me all the materials to help me build my bed.
And today we are going to tackle an awesome project. Last night, Philip and I stayed up super late, almost till the sun came up, getting all the flooring done in Chase's room, down the hallway. Everything is finished except for the bathroom floor. So we were able to do the build today because we're super excited to get Chase's build going. Again, thank you so much to McDonald's for sponsoring all the supplies we needed to do Chase's dream bed. He has a whole design and you're gonna see everything in this video. It's going to be pretty awesome. So what we need to do first is actually take down a workstation that Chase had in his room because we need all the space we can get to do this build.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know.
Building the framework for where a little door is going to go. I wonder how many of you still don't know what we're making. So right now, it doesn't look like a whole lot of much. All I want for Christmas is a few extra arms.
Very durable.
Durable floor.
Storm is coming, but I'm prepared. I'll be gone for a while, but don't be.
We're gonna put some slats on my bed. I'm gonna be using the Bradley, and it is super fun.
Okay, so the bottom one.
Where the grass is green, we're still alive. I hope I'll see you on the other side. I know I'll be paid.
Okay, we're gonna do this all the way up on this side. There's a space here, it's gonna be your door, right? And then we're gonna do slats all the way here, and then figure out where we're gonna do the skirting of the bottom of the bed. This looks awesome so far.
Yeah.
Day 2. I wanted to show you how far we got yesterday on Chase's bed. Still not telling you exactly what this is, but you can probably envision as we go here that it's evolving as we create these videos. But we got a lot done yesterday on the basic structure of this build. And so today we're going to get the roof on, start painting it, add some of the details that are really going to make this look like the end result, which is pretty exciting. We need to get the table saw out and cut some huge pieces of plywood. We're going to cover this entire top piece to make a roof, adding a really tent-like feel inside. I want him to have like a little hideout kind of. So I really want to have this totally covered. And then we have some really cool textured cedar shakes that are going to make this really rustic roof that we're going to make. So the front part of his bed is now built on, and this is going to get painted in several different layers, highly distressed. We're going to be building a door, a dock, and making this have a lot of DIYs that are really gonna bring this vision to life once we get the actual bed built. Okay, we have so much work to do today. If we don't get started, we are not gonna finish. Let's go.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you.
Why are you
And that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you. What things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you lock me down?
This is really
How many do you need of these? What are you building a roof?
We are building the roof.
We're gonna brad nail these on. Chase loves using the brad nailer. Your favorite tool by far? Yes. So what we're gonna do is get a step stool. He's gonna put on as many as we can. We're gonna try to make this look super rustic. So the idea, do you wanna finally tell them what you're making for your bed? What is it gonna look like in the end?
My bed is gonna look like a fishing hut.
It's gonna look like an old vintage style, almost like an abandoned fishing hut. We're going to make this super rustic, super distressed, and he would really like to add a dock on the front, probably so his puppy Finn can lay and chill at the front here. And we're going to really decorate this super fishing decor-like at the end with some DIYs. But we need a roof first, because what fishing shack doesn't have a roof?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get this on.
I'm going through changes, and so are you. I live for the moments when you're around me. I know you've got secrets, but I can't keep on. And we're fading in and out together. The fuse wide open, stuck in the moment.
Okay, I'm gonna start getting some of the dry brushing and antiquing on the actual hut. I think this is gonna take me a couple of layers. So I'm gonna do the white now, probably do a little bit of blue later, and then maybe do a little bit more green. It's gonna be like a layered process to get it looking the way we want. You know what I'm really excited for? Tomorrow, Philip is going to start putting the fish tank in upstairs.
Yes.
We found the perfect cabinet to be able to put the fish tank on, which I'm excited to show you guys, but I need to get this done.
Why you so hard on my own? Why am I not like her?
Say that the cedar shakes, they still smell
Smells
so
good.
Come down, why must the curtains come down?
I can't wait to make the really cute door. I have a design in mind and something really neat I'm gonna do for the handle, which I don't even think I told you or Chase yet. I told him I had a few surprises that I wasn't gonna tell him until I was done them. Especially for the DIY parts, to make this really look like a fishing hut. Because right now it kind of just looks like a cottage or a shack or something. Doesn't have that fishing element yet. It will.
Ahoy, matey.
Ahoy, baby. I don't know about you, but working on projects with my family always brightens my spirits. And today and yesterday were so much fun, bringing Chase's idea to life for what he wanted for his dream bed. So this is going to be antique fishing, like abandoned fishing shack. We have so many amazing DIYs that we're going to do when this is actually completed. We have more layers of paint to do. We have cute signs and a whole bunch of other really neat stuff that we're gonna put on this. It's really coming together after just 2 days. So I think we have one more full day of building before it's completely complete for us to show you guys the reveal later on tomorrow. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I'm pretty happy with it. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. If you have any ideas, just anything really about this at all, cheer Chase on. He's doing a lot of this build himself. Again, thank you so much for McNaughton's Home Hardware for supplying all the supplies that Chase needed to build his bed. If you want to check out their site, all the information is in the box below. I love you, and I'll see you tomorrow.